Pack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Immokalee local and long-distance movers near me. 3 Movers provide adequate long-distance moving service. Our long-distance service is smooth. You don't have to worry about not getting your belongings on time. You get your belongings in perfect condition. There are authorities in charge of long-distance moves, and we work closely with them. Our drivers also have licenses to transport your belongings. We have put everything in place to ensure the prompt delivery of your items. A local move is less than 100 miles from your current location. Despite the short distance, a lot of things can go wrong. 3 Movers provides the best local moving service. Our local moves are fast, cheap, and efficient. We help you plan your move considering your schedule, timeline, and budget. We also update you throughout the entire process. We know all the routes in Immokalee FL, both local and major roads. We also have an open communication line where you can reach us. Also, our rates are very cheap. We charge as low as $30 to $40 per hour. Our commitment to satisfying our clients is one of the reasons locals love and recommend us. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Immokalee moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.